The noun verb 優勝 is used when talking about sports tournaments, contests, and games. 優勝、スポーツの大会やコンテストの話でよく使います。優勝 means the top result or title in a competition. As a verb, it means to win the whole event and finish above everyone else. 大会で一番になること。その結果としてその座や称号を得ること。動きとしては試合に勝ち続けて頂点に立つことです。The first kanji means superior or gentle. It suggests excellence and kindness. You can hear it in yasashi and yuzen. Think of someone who stands out in a calm, skilled way. The second kanji means win or victory. It shows the idea of beating an opponent. You can hear it in katsu and shori. Picture raising your hands after a game. The team won. チームが優勝しました。チームが優勝しました。We are aiming to win this year. 私たちは今年優勝を目指します。私たちは今年優勝を目指します。He finally won his first championship. 彼はついに初優勝を決めた。彼はついに初優勝を決めた。That school won the national championship. あの学校は全国で優勝した。あの学校は全国で優勝した。The most common synonym of the word is shori. Shori is any win, even a single match. 優勝 is the overall title in a tournament or league. The most common antonym of the word is 敗北. 敗北 is losing or being beaten, while 優勝 is taking the top position overall.